Dear students, hope you are great. Today we're going to continue what's matter, and I want to talk about physical property. So what's meant by physical property? Can you tell me? I said it before. Excellent. Physical property is the property that can you observe and measure without changing the kind of matter itself. For example, when I observe that the rock is very hard, so just I observe that without changing the kind of matter itself. We have three physical properties here: hardness, response to magnet force, reflective, electric conductivity. So let's start with first one. Hardness. Hardness is how easily substance can be scratched. Some objects may be soft and other may be hard. So hardness is how easily substance can be scratched. For example, mobile is very hard. We cannot scratch it easily, while chalk is a very soft, can be scratched easily. And wood, another example is wood, can be scratched easily. So hardness is a physical property, can be used to identify in materials or observe or measure material. For example, here metal is a very hard, cannot be scratched easily. Response to magnet force. Some material is called a magnetic material and another called a non-magnetic material. Magnetic material is any material that can be attracted to magnet and can also form a magnet, like a metal, like iron, like nickel, like cobalt. All of these can be attracted by a magnet, so it's called a magnetic material. Also, magnetic material or response to magnet force is a physical property, can observe without changing the kind of matter. For example, iron, I can observe that it can attract by magnet. So I change the kind of matter itself? No. So it's called a physical property. Other metals such as aluminium, copper, and gold are not magnetic material because they do not attract to magnet. Like aluminium or aluminium foil, or copper or gold. So again, response to magnet force. Response to magnet is also a property of matter or physical property. I can observe it. Magnets can attract other magnets, but they can also attract a magnetic material. Some materials called a magnetic material, like iron, nickel, cobalt. All of this called a magnetic material because it can attract by magnet. So magnetic material is any material that can be attracted to magnets and also can form a magnet, while other material like aluminium, copper, and gold are not magnetic because it cannot attract by magnet. For example here of magnetic material like nickel knife, cobalt coin, steel spoon, iron nail, will steel paper clip. While non-magnetic material like paper, glass, plastic, rubber, wood, all of this cannot attract by magnet. Reflective. Reflectivity is a physical property. What's meant by reflectivity is ability to reflect a ray of light. Some material can able to reflect a ray of light and some cannot. Different surfaces reflect a different amount of light. Smooth and shiny surface like a mirror can reflect light very well, while a dark or opaque and rough surface cannot, such as a dark sweater or clothes do not reflect light. This is why you see your image in a mirror. So why you see your image in a mirror? Because it can reflect a ray of light, and the material of mirror, it's very smooth and shiny, so it can reflect a ray of light very well. Look here, it's a mirror, can reflect a ray of light, so you can see yourself on the mirror. Mirror material is very smooth and shiny, while a dark and rough material cannot reflect a ray of light very well, like a sweater, like or any clothes, like wood. All of this cannot reflect a ray of light. So electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity is a physical property, so I can observe it without change the kind of matter. Some materials are called good electrical conductivity, so like copper and silver. So what's meant by electrical conductivity? Electrical conductivity mean it's a measure of how well electricity move through a substance. For example, here silver and copper, electricity can move through it very easily, so it's good electrical conductivity, while other material electricity cannot pass through it, like plastic, wood and rubber, and this is called an electrical insulator. Like plastic, wood and plastic and rubber, all of this called an electrical insulator because electricity cannot pass through it easily. While good conductor or good electrical conductor, like a copper, steel, all of these are good electrical conductor. An electrical conductor is the material that lets electricity pass through it easily. This is why people use copper to make electrical wire. Copper here used to make an electrical wire. That's it. Copper used to make an electrical wire, while that cover plastic is used to cover an electrical wire because it's electrical insulator. This electrical insulator, it's a plastic, made of plastic. And this copper, it's conductor. That's it. Thanks for watching.